generating over $90,000 a month in sales only on Amazon. What is up, online retailers? Mike Rosko here. For those of you who do not know who I am, first of all, welcome to this channel. For those of you who do not know who I am, I teach people on how to start, build, and grow their own online retail company, which is essentially selling popular name brand products online. Popular name brands, big name brand products such as Disney, Hasbro, Mattel, Microsoft, Sony, Nintendo. Huge brands, how to sell them legally by sourcing directly from suppliers that have the legal rights to sell these brands. Now, this video is going to be a lot different than some of my other videos, right? It's not going to be a step-by-step, but it's a video where I can show you the power of Amazon, the power of selling on Amazon, the power of selling products that are already in demand. So, let's jump right into it. Now, before we even start, don't forget to sign up for my free course. It's in the description below. Join the Facebook group, join the community. I'm super active in the chat. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell because I'm going to be coming out with a lot of step-by-step content. All right? So, sign up for that free course and let's jump right into it. So, I got sent a deal the other day, and this is the ASIN on it. Now, I'm just going to copy the ASIN, and actually, I might as well just show you the deal first. For those of you who do not know how to do this, you simply just paste the ASIN in here. Now, quick explanation. For those of you who do not know what the ASIN is, it's simply the UPCs of Amazon. So everybody's been to a store, and you see the barcode. That's a UPC. That's an identification number. So when the cashier scans it, it rings up and it counts towards the inventory, right? So, Amazon, I actually have a video explaining the ASIN in more detail, so make sure to click on the link above. Now, the ASIN is pretty much an Amazon UPC, so every listing is assigned an ASIN, okay? Now, so, here's the listing here, and I want to show you in the email. So, I got this offer. As you see, $150 a unit, ranked 1291 in video games. Now, keep in mind, this is not going to be a product research video. If you want to see that, I'll put a link right above, so make sure to click on that. This is going to be a video on how this product generates over $90,000 in sales a month. So, as you can see, I got the offer, $12.91 ranking video games for $150, right? It's right here. Okay, now you can either click on the ASIN right here, it pops up, but we already did it through the Amazon way. So, here's the listing. Now, I got this email a little bit while ago, so the sales rank did change. So, $215.96. Now, how many units does it sell per month? Well, if we're going by when I got sent the offer, $12.91. So, $12.91, video games, calculate, and it's going to be what it just said, $420. Now, we're going to paste the ASIN in here, and we're going to calculate it. Now, if you do the calculator here, 420 units times 215.96 equals $90,000, $90,703.20, right? All right, so now we're on the Amazon FBA calculator. Let me just go back and refresh. So, this sales estimator, you're using Jungle Sales Estimator, this calculator estimate number of sales per month. Now, this is based off of the sales rank in a category. In the US, obviously, you're going to be selling in. Now, each category, the lower the number, the more sales it generates, right? So, this is telling you that at the 1,291 rank, this listing is selling 420 units per month, right? So, we're here. Amazon fulfillment, $215.96. So this listing is generating over $90,000 worth of sales in a month. Now, keep in mind, you're going to have competitors, which we'll look up real quick. How many competitors you're going to have? If you watch my other video on the buy box, make sure to watch that if you haven't seen that yet. But Match, New, and FBA. Now, why did it kick me out of that? I don't know. Prime, New. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 competitors. 420 divided by 5 is going to be, you're going to get 84 sales per month. Now, for every unit that you sell, you make $37.63. So let's just say you're selling all those units. The profit, you're going to be generating, over $90,000 in sales, but the profit is going to be $15,804.60 right here in profit. Okay, this is after the fees. Now maybe we'll add like 50 cents for shipping or whatnot. So let's kick it down. So $15,594.60. If you were to get all 420 sales, that's all profit. So you're making almost $16,000 in profit off of one product. Now, this is the power of Amazon. Huge existing customer base. You don't have to pick, pack, and ship. You don't have to do any of that. In this example, you were sent a deal, $150. This specific listing sells 420 units per month. Now, let's just say you happen to get all 420 sales. You would be making almost $16,000 per month profit. And it would be generating over $90,000 in sales per month. Now, let's just say the 84. So you're sharing the buy box. Now, this is just going off of assuming that all these sellers have 80. There it is. There it is. All these sellers have 84 units, right? Now, clearly, this one only has 13 as per Keepa. This one only has 2. This one has 14. Now, this one can always match, but this one's not even in the buy box right now. Actually, this person's back ordered. This person only has 13 too. So, essentially, 1, 2, these 2 people might be at a sale, and these people might still be back ordered by the time you get your product in. So, essentially, you might only have 1 competitor, but we'll just use 5 as an example. So, off of this specific example, you would be making over $3,000 a month in profit if you have all the competition in play, the sales rank, all that stuff. So the purpose of this video is to show you the power of selling on Amazon, the power of leveraging big name brand products that already advertise. That way you can just buy them at a lower cost, sell them at a higher price, right? Now, before anybody even says, oh, how are you on Gated in Microsoft? Hop right into Seller Central. Here it is. Microsoft approved. Microsoft approved. Okay. I am approved to sell Microsoft. I am approved to sell Sony. All right. So, retailers. So, short clip here. I'm going to be running giveaways. And what I chose to do was on every single video, I want you guys to comment below and guess which professional athlete's jersey I am wearing in that video. Now remember, only 1 player per comment. Now, why am I doing this? Because for those of you who know my story, I started way back in the day. I used to flip NFL, NBA, MLB jerseys that my friend's dad was getting from China, sell them in school, and then I used to sell them on eBay as well with my friend, and made a lot of money off that, a lot of profits. So the reason why I'm doing that is because it kind of matches up with my story. So I wanted to give back, run some giveaways, whether it's giving you a free supplier, free coaching, free course access, whatever it may be. I'm going to be running giveaways, and for the person who guesses the most amount of players, most amount of videos, we will be giving you a prize in return. So again, whatever video you're watching, comment below, guess which professional athlete's jersey I'm wearing, and I have tons of jerseys, so make sure to guess them, and hopefully you're in this giveaway. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.